Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I have faced an issue with my WordPress website. This all brands page I have created using this plugin Perfect Brands for Woocommerce. But today I have faced an issue with this plugin. All the brand links are no longer working and all returns a 404 page not found. You can see here if we click any of the brand, here it is showing the error 404 page. Actually this 404 error occurs because both of the plugins, Perfect Brands for WooCommerce and new WooCommerce Brands, which is introduced in the latest update of the WooCommerce. Both of the plugins uses same slug brands. Since there are no brands created under the new WooCommerce Brands functionality, these pages are returning a 404 error. So let's see how we can fix this. Now first of all, you just have to open your WordPress dashboard. After opening the dashboard, here you just have to search for the settings. Here settings, and after settings you have to click on permalinks, and here in the permalinks scroll down, and here you can see the product brand page, and here you have to change the name brand list, or you can give any custom name. After changing the name, simply click on save changes. Now you are done. Again, if we check the brands, if we click any of the brand, you can see here now the products are showing. Now our plugin works perfectly. If you have any issue, tell me in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.